In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets. This is a quick setup process, and once you know where to click, it's very straightforward. If you want to send information between your Monday.com board and Google Sheets using an integration app, this walkthrough will help you get there smoothly. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want to add the connection. From the top area of the board, look for the Integrate button and click on it. This is where Monday.com lets you browse and add integrations, automations, and external apps that extend what your board can do. If you don't immediately see this option you need, don't worry. That's exactly what the search is for. After the integrations panel opens, click into the search field and type Google Sheets. This will narrow the results and help you find the matching app more quickly. Be sure to type it clearly so the correct options appear. Searching is especially useful if your workspace has lots of available integrations and you want to avoid scrolling through a long list. Once the results appear, find Google Sheet Automations Plus and click on it. This is the app you'll use to create the connection between Monday.com and Google Sheets. Selecting the correct app is important here, since there may be several Google-related options in the marketplace. Take a moment to confirm the name before moving on, just to make sure you're installing the intended integration. On the app page, click Install App. This starts the installation process and adds the app to your Monday.com environment so you can begin using it. Depending on your workspace permissions, you may be able to install it immediately, or you may need approval from an admin. If that happens, just follow your organization's normal approval process before continuing. And that's it for the connection setup shown in this walkthrough. You've opened the integrations area, searched for Google Sheets, selected Google Sheet Automations Plus, and installed the app. From here, you can continue configuring the app based on the workflow you want between Monday.com and Google Sheets. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to confirm you are working on the correct board before installing any integration, especially if you manage multiple projects. That can save time and help avoid setting things up in the wrong place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.